Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. I already took my scalp trade. I'm setting my take profit on this account that we started with $250. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bells, like, and make sure you leave a comment. If you want to copy my trades for free, click the link in the description below for Mega Market. Sign up with the broker that I use. Make sure you have at least $300 to $500 to be able to copy my trades and send me proof of your account on WhatsApp or Telegram. If you want to buy the course to learn how to scalp, go to hedgingmastermind.com, and we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, as we can see, the buy trade that we took, we might have to take a sell trade very soon. And yeah, there you go. We're taking a sell trade, and I'm gonna set my take profit. So I'm in a buy trade and a sell trade at the same time. I'm gonna move my take profit for the buy. And yeah, this is what happens sometimes. The take profit for the sell looks like okay, take profit for the sell hits, and I'm taking another buy trade, okay, because when the market goes down, it must go up. If I say buy, it must buy. There is a take profit. We made $150 in the market. Remember, if you want to copy my trades for free, make sure you use the broker that I use, link in the description below. Sign up and fund your account with at least $300 to $500 and send it to me on WhatsApp and Telegram as proof, and you'll be added to the private signal group. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com, and we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, as you guys can see, the market continued to drop to full dumb money, trying to make traders take a sell. I used the opportunity to take another buy, and as you can see, we're moving more and more into profits. Dumb money is losing their money while I'm taking it all the way to the bank. When I say the market must go up, it must go up. It has full dumb money by looking like it's going down, but I added more buys and we're going to make way more profits in the market in just a few minutes. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll be right back. We're moving closer and closer to profit. There you go. Take profits, hit. Take profits, hit. When I said the market must go up, it must go up. It went down to full dumb money. We've made a profit in the market. Let me just delete this. I accidentally set an order. Let me just delete this and delete the other two. We've made $150 profits, $38 profits, $168 profits, $90 profits. Altogether, we've made about $250. About $500, $440 in total in one scalp trade. Like, share, and subscribe. If you want to copy my trades, sign up with Mega Markets, link in the description below. It's the same broker that I use. Make sure you have at least $300 to $400 in your account to be able to copy your trades and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram, link in the description also. If you want to buy the course and get the software that also does all the analysis, tells you when and where to buy, tells you when to scalp, tells you when to swing trade, tells you when to hedge, which is how I'm able to grow my accounts because I take no losses. Go to hedgingmastermind.com. It's also available on TradingView and comes free with the course on MT4 and MT5. We'll be right back with another scalping video soon. Like, share, and subscribe.